stars, your moon, your sun. I would love to be that.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Corie. I am a high school family and consumer sciences teacher, but I love all things fashion, lifestyle, wellness, positivity. I gotta figure that intro out. I used to have it down pat, but things have changed. I love all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, so you get a little bit of everything here on my channel. Today we're doing a week in the life vlog. I forgot bronzer, blush, and highlighter today, so my skin looks a little bit washed out, but that's okay. Hair is freshly curled, and let's do a little plan with me, shall we? So I use the Rifle Paper Company planner. It is a new semester at my work, and that means that I have all new classes, and I also have a couple of brand new preps that I am teaching, which means that I don't have lesson plans for those yet. So this semester is going to be a lot busier than last semester because I'm creating lesson plans for a brand new class. On my weekly layouts, I do my to-do lists, and everything is color coded. So for work today, what I want to do is I want to get lesson plans done for 3 of the classes that I teach. I'm obviously filming this vlog, which is on my to-do list, which is fun. I need to film a couple TikToks when I get home, work on social media. I want to work on captions for this week's Instagram posts. I need to do my cleaning. So for today, that is laundry, and need to work out. So taking Juju on a walk, water my plants, and clean out the litter box. So that is on the agenda for today. I want to be better this semester about sending home emails to parents. Now, obviously, when you need to send home a negative email, that is a lot more pressing, but last year was really good about sending home positive emails to student parents, and I want to get back into that, so I'm going to put that on my agenda for today. I have first period prep period today, so I am going to just hop right into lesson planning and answering emails, because I know I got a couple of student emails over the weekend that I need to respond to, so I'm going to work on that. Hello you guys, I am back home now. After work, I immediately took Juju on a walk, which you guys saw, and then I came back in, I watered my plants, and then I took some time to do the laundry, and I'm on my last load of laundry now. What I am going to do now that I have done that is I'm going to work on social media for about an hour. So post what I need to post for the day, engage, respond to comments, things like that. I also need to record a TikTok, so I'm going to work on that. And then once I have that done, I'm probably gonna go upstairs, do my skincare, etc., etc. Like, how good do my brows look today though? Like, really proud of them. He's such a weirdo. Also, big news, we got a new couch. It looks a little worn down because I was sitting there, but we got this new sectional. This is from Article. So I'm gonna work on social media, and I'll see you in a second. Also, can somebody explain to me why other people look so dang cute in all gray outfits and I look like Danny Zuko from the gym scene of Grease?
I would love to be your stars, your moon, your sun. I would love to be that one. I'd love to be the one to make you laugh. I'd love to be the one who'd always say that I love you back. I would always be the one who cares, and I will try my very best to always be there. And the stars and moon and sun would all align, and for a million years and more I'd make you mine. 'Cause all the shades of blue.
Outfit today, sweater is from Target. Jeans are from Old Navy. Shoes, leopard print, love, are from Uggs. I have a bunch of stuff that I have to set up for my fashion class this morning, which is super exciting, but I need to set up for them, so I'm just gonna get started on the day. I just got to work. It is Wednesday now. I'm not positive that I even talked to the camera yesterday, so if I didn't, I'm really sorry. But work was kind of crazy. It wasn't crazy in a bad way or anything. I just didn't have a spare second. The good thing is that I am a couple of weeks ahead on lesson plans, so I got an amazing PR package from Third Love. I got this really pretty lacy bra, and then I got this really pretty silky robe, which will be so fun. I'm doing a brand partnership with them over on Instagram, so I would definitely recommend going and following me there, but I just wanted to show you guys that I got this package in the mail, and how pretty is this bra? Like, so pretty. I just took a shower, and I wanted to show you guys my hair routine. I always dry my hair in a t-shirt. I find that I get a little bit less frizz that way. As far as shampoo and conditioner, I use the Shea Moisture for curls, mostly for the hydration. I don't wear my hair naturally curly, but that's what I use. Now I'm going to spray this Cantu Coil Calm Detangler. The pattern leave-in conditioner, I just do like a little dollop. And the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, again, to get rid of frizz. And then I just pull it up in a silk scrunchie on the top of my head, and then I go to sleep. Outfit today, top is from Dress Barn like 50 years ago. Pants are from ASOS, loafers from Walmart actually. Good morning, you guys. It is Thursday, and today is gonna be a little bit more of a relaxed day, I think. I still have some stuff that I need to get done, but today will be good, so I'm excited. Wow, I just zoned out for a long time. Whoops. Don't have much to say, but today's gonna be a good day, and I'm gonna start getting some work done.
I'd love to be the one who'd always say that I love you back.
I'm going to sign off the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any requests for videos you'd like to see in the future, please let me know in the comments. You guys are just the best, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.
Always be the one who cares, and I will try my very best.